Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create an amazing clipping mask design in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1080 by 1350. Go to the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle the same size as the artboard. Apply the gradient to it. Follow my gradient settings. Go to the Object menu, Lock, and Selection. Go to the Ellipse tool and click on the artboard. Then set the size to 650 pixels. Go to the File menu, Place. Select the image and click on the Place button. Decrease its opacity and adjust the size. Reset the opacity. Right-click on it, go to Arrange, and choose Send Backward. Select both, right-click on them, and choose Make Clipping Mask. Select the image using the Direct Selection tool. Go to the Edit menu and copy. Then paste in front. Decrease its opacity. Select the Pen tool and make a selection of the face area. Follow the process. Apply the fill color to it. Then make the selection of the other part. Hold the Shift button to select both shapes, right-click on them, and choose Make Compound Path. Reset the image opacity. Select both, right-click on them, and choose Make Clipping Mask. Double-click inside the circle to go into isolation mode. Select and copy the circle. Then paste in front. Add a black outline to it. Increase the stroke weight. Go to the Direct Selection tool, select the bottom center anchor point, and delete it. Set the profile 1. Apply a Gaussian blur to it. Change its blend mode to overlay. Now it's time to add the shadow under the shoe. Follow the process. Place the cloud PNG image. Hold the Alt button and drag to make a copy of it. Reflect it. Now it's time to add text to the design. Follow my text settings. Finally, place the logo in the design. First design is ready, let's move to the second one. Unlock all. Select the artboard tool, hold the Alt button to make a copy of it. Select and delete the top clipped image. Then select the image using the Direct Selection tool. Go to the Relink button and replace it with another image. Adjust its size and position. Follow the process. Draw shapes for the shadow effect. Select the shapes with clipping, right-click on them, go to Arrange, and choose Bring to Front. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.